Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and doing good, understanding the different concepts. In physics, in the last class, we all learned about the sign convention for spherical mirrors. Just for recalling, what we discussed, that objects on left hand side are taken as negative, objects on the right hand side, or we can say the distances on the right hand side, are taken as positive, distances above the principal axis are taken as positive, and distances below the principal axis are taken as negative. So today we will be learning about the mirror formula and the magnification. Mirror formula is nothing but a relation between object distance, image distance and the focal length. Object distance is denoted by U, image distance is denoted by V and focal length is denoted by F. So 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F. And if we put the value of F in term of R, then the formula will be 1 upon U plus 1 upon V equal to 2 upon R. Please, whenever you are putting the numeric values, apply the sign convention whatever we learnt in our last class. Now, the next term is magnification. Magnification is actually giving us the comparison in terms of their size or in terms of their distances. That is object distance or image distance. So it is defined as the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object, or it is also defined as the negative ratio of image distance to the object distance. So numerically h2 upon h1, that is height of the image to the height of object, and negative ratio. You can see in the slide minus sign is there. V upon U. V is the image distance and U is the object distance. If you compare in the mirror formula, positive sign is there, and in the magnification minus sign is there in term of V and U. So this is a shortcut or a hint to learn, because when you will be learning about the lens formula, that will be different. Lens formula will be 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F, and magnification will be simply V upon U, opposite sign. And as in the numerator and denominator, same nature of values are there, so it has no unit. Now, when we are comparing, according to the first formula, m equal to h2 upon h1. h2 is the size of image and h1 is the size of object. If h2 is greater than h1, it means size of the image is greater than size of object, or we are obtaining the enlarged image. Numerator more than denominator, and when you will be dividing, you will be getting the number greater than 1. So if magnification value, numeric value is greater than 1, irrespective of the sign, only numeric value, then it means it indicates that the image formed is enlarged. If both the sizes are same, so numerator, denominator cancel out and the value will be 1, and that indicates the size of the image is same as that of the object. And in the third case, if h2 is greater than h1, size of the image is less than the size of the object. Now, numerator is less than denominator, like 3 by 4, 2 by 4. So you are getting the value in decimal, 0 point something. So if m is less than 1, it indicates the image is diminished. I am saying, for the size, please note it down, for size, we are just considering the numeric value. We are not considering minus. For example, if I am saying minus 1 or plus 2, minus 1 doesn't mean that it is less than 1. I am saying only numeric value means 1. Ignore sign. Clear? Negative sign indicates something else. Now, come to the real and virtual. What magnification indicates? Formula is minus V upon U. U we all know that it is on the left hand side. Object is always on left hand side. So, object distance is negative. For real images, images are on the left hand side due to the actual intersection. Just recall your ray diagrams. So when images are on the left, it means they are also negative. Now, on putting the sign only in the formula, minus already one negative is there, V is negative, U is negative. 3 negative are there. It means finally what is coming out? Negative sign. So if M is negative, it means that the image is real. If I am saying minus 2, minus sign is indicating real and 2 is indicating greater than 1. So real and enlarged. Which case? When the object is placed between C and F. So image kahan? Image is beyond C. Real and enlarged. Second, for virtual images. Virtual images are formed on the right hand side in the case of spherical mirrors. Object is on left, negative. Images, virtual images are on right, so V positive. Now, when we will be putting in formula, negative sign, V positive, U negative. So, finally 2 negative and 2 negative is giving us positive. Positive means virtual images. Negative means real images. Positive means virtual images. We all know that real images are always inverted and virtual images are always erect. But we can prove it here also. For inverted images, again we are taking the formula H2 upon H1. H2 is negative, inverted hai. It means below the principal axis. And H1 is always positive, above the principal axis. So negative upon positive means negative. So negative means real, done in the previous slide, and inverted also. Now for the erect. Erect means above the principal axis, so V is positive again. U is already positive. So positive value upon positive value give us positive value. So positive sign indicates virtual and erect. Negative sign indicates real and inverted. Now, let us again summarize all the point. The value of magnification is divided into two parts. Sign and its numeric value. Sign may be positive or negative. If the sign is positive, then blindly you have to write virtual and erect. If sign is negative, then understood the image formed is real and inverted. Now, the numeric value. If M is greater than 1, enlarged image. If M is less than 1, diminished. If M is equal to 1, same size. So, dear students, whenever any value of magnification is there, divide that value in two parts. Observe its sign, positive or negative, and observe its numeric value, alone numeric value. Then you are able to find it out, the nature of the image formed. And by the nature of image form, you can recall the position of object and position of image also. These type of question may come in 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. 1 mark if they are giving any value of magnification like this. For example, if M equal to minus 1, what do you mean by this magnification about the image? Minus 1. So minus means real inverted. 1 means same size. So the nature of image is real inverted same size. Simply 1 mark question. If it is in 2 mark, then state the position of object and position of image. Now you have to recall that summary table. When the object gives us real inverted and same size image, in that case position of object is at C and position of image is at C. In that particular case, we can make the ray diagram also. We can justify the nature of the mirror also. We can state the uses also. So on the basis of the value of the magnification, by just observing the sign and numeric value, we can do everything related to its ray diagram. Let us understand few examples. I have taken each type of example. If m equal to 3, plus 3 means positive 3. Positive indicates virtual erect. 3 indicates greater than 1, so enlarged. Which is this case? Virtual, erect, enlarged. This type of image we obtain when the object is placed between P and F. So that gives us virtual, erect and enlarged image. But instead of this, if this is the value minus 3 as shown in example 2, negative sign shows real and inverted. 3 indicates enlarged because 3 is greater than 1. Again, real, inverted, enlarged. In which case, when the object is placed between C and F. So image is formed beyond C. Third example, if m equal to minus 0.6, minus real inverted, 0.6 numeric value means less than 1. Real inverted diminished. In which case, just think about it. When the object is placed beyond C, image is formed between C and F. Again the case of concave mirror. Fourth, when m equal to positive 0.3, positive virtual erect, 0.3 means less than 1. So virtual erect diminished. This is the case of convex mirror. Convex mirror always gives us virtual erect diminished image. If m equal to minus 1, minus means real inverted again and 1 means same size. So real inverted same size just discussed in the previous slide when the object is placed at C in front of concave mirror. Last point, if m equal to plus 1, plus positive sign means virtual erect, 1 means same size. And this virtual erect same size, that is the case of plane mirror, not the case of spherical mirror. I hope you all understood about the magnification along with its sign convention. So please go through the slide and the video once again and then try to do the assignment. Thank you.